Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Sherlock, and today we are solve digital puzzles together. And today's video we are talking about recovering data from partitions. And as you know, I am uploading this video after a long time, so I am trying to make this video more exciting for you that you can able to learn for yourself, you can help others also. So guys, in this video, I am going to show you step by step how to recover your data like a pro. So guys, without wasting our time, let's start our video. So guys, first of all, we need to understand some basics about our hard disks. So in here, as you can see, partitions help organize your hard drive, dividing it into logical segments. However, data can seem lost in this situation. A partition is accidentally deleted, two partitions are merged without a backup, the partition table gets corrupted, and a partition is overwritten. This happens when a new data is written to the space where old data was stored, making it more difficult. And I am discussing you later. And keep in mind, if your partition has been overwritten, the chances of full recovery decrease significantly. That's why it is crucial to stop using the affected drive immediately to prevent further overwritten. We are going to solve this, and in this video I am providing you some tools link in the description. Also, today's our main focus is this. So if you can see my screen, first we are going to recovering data from a specific partition. Second, we focus on recovering data from a lost partition. And third, we are going to recover data from the mass partition. So guys, first of all, we need to create a specific partition first. Next, we are going to input some data in that partition and delete that data from that partition, and we are going to recover that partition using the tools that I am providing you on the description. Just go on the link and download it. And also in this video I am going to show you how to install that tool, and that tool will be the cracked version, and that's why I am going to show you in this virtual lab. But if you have the pro version or the official version, you can do on your main machine. Because of crack version, there is a file which is kind of malicious file. So crack version, as you know, that our antivirus and our Windows Defender always protect crack files. So that's why I'm doing it in my VMware machine. So let's start our first topic. So first topic is recovering data from a specific partition. So we need to create a partition first. So if you don't know how to create partition, you can search on here, create a create and format hard disk partitions. You can click here, you will get the window like this, or you can go from here, go on manage, disk management, and here you can create another partition. So in here, right click on C drive and click on shrink volume. So this will take time little. And in here I am going to create a small partition which is 1024 MB, which is 1 GB, and let's shrink. and you can see that here is a 1 GB unallocated files. Now make it a new volume. Click on next, 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 and next, and finish. So you can see that we create a new volume. Let's see on this PC. So here is my new volume, and now our first work is we need a tool to recover that files. So okay guys, now I already download the files and I am showing you the installation process. So to this, if you are in beginner, this video is for educational purpose, and if you are professional and you know that you can do it on your main machine. So this is basically a educational video, so I am going to show you step by step how it works. So first of all, we need to disable our Windows Defender. So click on here, click on Defender. This means you can see that our Defender is protected. You can go from here, Windows Security, click on Open, click on Virus and Threat Protection, click on Manage Setting, and you have to disable this real-time protection. Click on and yes. So our real-time protection is off. Now I already download a file from the Chrome, and make sure I'm telling you because you cannot download from the Microsoft Edge that file. You have to use always Google Chrome or any other browser, but don't use Microsoft Edge to download that file. And let me show you which file you have to download. Click on Google Chrome and search here get into PC. You will interface like this, all the same link. Just click on any of the link, go on search bar and type EaseUS Data Recovery. Click on go, and here you can see that EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Technician. Click on first here. Now go on, scroll down, and download the full setup here. And you can see that password is 1123. And because this is a zip file, we need a instructor, and for this the base instructor is winner. So I recommend you to download winner, download winner, and just download here and it will be download on your browser. So I already download those two files here, and let's started our installation process. Let's started. We need to install winner first. Just click on winner and okay, and done. So as you can see that our file is now stuck, and here it's asking for password. The password is 123. Here you can see the password 123 and okay. Click proceed and just extract to. You can extract anywhere, and I am going to extract it on the desktop. You can select anywhere of your machine. Okay, fine. Close it. Now we don't need those. Now close it, and here is our file. Let's refresh once. Okay, so here you can see that we can see a crack file and a setup file. First we need to open the crack file. First host blocker. First run this file. Click on yes, and our host blocker already installed. Now we need to set up our EaseUS data recovery. Click on OK, next, accept, confirm. You can create a quick launch icon which will show you in here. Click on install. Now let's wait for some minute. Okay guys, our file is installed, but don't open it. So untick those two boxes and finish. Cross it. I'm telling this is a cracked version. Don't do it until when Defender is blocked. Now second, click on Patcher. Now you can see that 64-bit and 32-bit. Just copy those files of your machine architecture, because my Windows is 64-bit, so I copy this one. If your Windows is 32-bit, then copy the upper one and copy it. Copy. Now click on this PC and go to the installation drive, program files, and this EaseUS, this one, and just paste here and continue. So as you can see, our file is pasted here. Now run this file and just don't see anything, just click on patch. This will take some minutes, not a minute, a less. As you can see, our patching is done. Now exit it. Now we need to complete our third process, which is go on our folder back, click on setup. Now we need to activate our program. Just as you can see that you will see this interface, click on activate. Now we need to choose that drive where we install that file. Click C, program files, SS, and select this file and select folder. So as you can see, our file is activated. Now close this, close it, and if now we can see, if we run this software, we can see that our file is here. You can see a technician. Okay, so this is our cracked version. I recommend you to download the pro version, but if you are beginner and learning this thing, so it's happen for a students or a learner. For beginner, it's hard to use and spend money. So this is the best way to find any kind of softwares for your educational purpose. So now close it. We need to collect some data and input here. So first of all, I'm going to exit it, and now let's see our first topic, which is recovering data from a specific partition. Fine. Now we need some data. Let me download some photos or music. Let's see. Pictures. Here, images. And from here, I'm going to download some pictures. Right click and save image. And I'm going to download in my volume E and save. Now download this one also. Okay guys, we download some photos now. Let's see, can we find some musics? Download music. We this is a paid, no, I need some free musics. uh, I think we can download it from here. Let's see. So in here, guys, let's download it. I just need to demonstrate. Okay, so in here we already download the music, and let's download another one. Okay, fine. Now let's download it, and our file is downloaded, and we can download more according to our data. But this is video is about educational purpose, so I am not going to download more. So let's see. This is our video, and let's download some those music in here. Cut it and paste it. Okay, fine. This is our total files for an example. So in here I am going to rename one of the files so that we can find it exactly after the file recovery. So in here I rename this one as digital shell log. Fine, this is our target, and we are going to delete this, and we are going to recover these pictures using the recovery tool. So why we are waiting for? Okay guys, let's delete our files. So this is our target. Now we can delete it from using shift delete or delete enter. So first of all I'm going to delete it, and it's already deleted, and let's clear it from the recycle bin. So in here you can see this is our file, and we can also clear it from here also. Okay, so delete and delete. So as you can see our recycle bin is totally empty. Also this file isn't here, so we have I'm going to show you recover that deleted file using that tool. So our tool is EaseUS Data Recovery Tool, which is used for recover data from hard disks or any other drives. Now enter this. Okay guys, so we have to remember our volume which we deleted, and we deleted from the volume E. Let's cross check, and our volume is new volume E. So this is our partition. Now let's scan it, and when we scan it we already see that the scan is completed. Now let's now if we see this we can see a lots of options. Now click on type, and if we there is a filter also, we can click on lost files only. Also there is a advanced filter, we can hide temp files and other files also. So in here we hide those, and let's see, can we find that deleted file which we deleted from our partitions or from this machine also. So let's see. So click on type, click on pictures. There is a two options, JFIF and JPG. This is the extension of the photos. So if we click on JFIF, we can see that there is a lots of JFIF. Those are the broken files. And now click on JPG. We can see that there is a lost files, and here you can see that there is a file that I deleted. Now click on path. Now click on deleted, and here you can see a deleted file also. So guys, this is our file. This file name lost is it showing because of I rename it after download, so that's why it's showing the file name lost. We can check other options also. We can see I already deleted more of the files before, so that's why it's all shows here. And we can see on others and pictures. Here we can recover all the deleted files over there. So those are the files that I lost before, and our target is this one. So if we can preview, we can see our files. So we have to recover the file. So click on this box. We can recover all the files or click on particular files also. Just untick it. Click on here. Now recover one files. So here you can select the folder, and I am going to save it on the new volume. Click on select folder. Here you can see share to original drive and click on save. So file is already recovered. Now let's close it. Close this one also, this one, and exit. And now let's see that our file is recovered or not. Now click on here, click on here, click on recovered, new volume lost files, file name lost, JPG, and we can see that our file is there. We already recover our deleted files. So guys, our first task is complete. Now our second task is, let's see, recovering data from a lost partition. Fine. So we have to recover our data from a lost partition. So lost partition means we have, for an example, we have a partition and we deleted that partition. Now we have to recover that partition from this machine. So now I'm going to delete that partition, and let's say that we can recover that partition and all the files. So first of all, I'm going to delete all that partition from the manager. Click on manage, click on disk manager, and I am going to delete this volume. So you can see that this will erase all the data on it, and it's told to backup any data you want to keep before deleting. So I am going to delete this and click on yes, and you can see 1 GB is unallocated. Now let's close it, and as you can see our drive is deleted. Now we have to find that lost partition, and now if we open this tool, we can see a lost partition inside the tool, and here you can see we have a lost partition. Now if we scan this partition, we can see a lost partition where we can find so many files that we used before. Now click on filter and lost party files only. Now click on type. Here you can see we have all the files that we deleted before. Let's see, click on JPG. These are lost files that we delete right now. We already delete the whole partitions and now we are going to recover that. So now click on recover all. We can delete audios, videos. So this is not a original videos. We can recover all the files, documents. Also we have audio files that we can recover it, all the files. So click on all the tick and pictures. Now recover all files. So when we click on recover and select on desktop and select folder. Now let's close it and exit. Okay, here we can see that we already recovered our lost partition. That is our music that we deleted before. Lost files, file name lost, JPG, and our exact file that we deleted inside the partition. And we have the all files here, all the JPGs that we deleted before, and all the musics here that we deleted before. Now I already complete the task 2, and now let's going for a new task which is recovering data from a mass partition. So to do this we need a new partition and we are going to divide that partition, and after that partition we are going to merge the second partition with the first partition. So let's do it. So now let's create a partition. Click on disk management. Here we have 1 GB unallocated space. Now I am going to create a new volume. Click on next, 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 and next, next, finish. And now I am going to shrink it and create another one. And in this I am going to 162 half of. Now click on shrink. There is a 634 MB and create another one. Click on next, 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 finish. So in here we create a one partition and we split it into two partition. Now I'm going to input data in this volume F, and second we are going to delete this partition and we are going to extend it partition with that unallocated space. So we need to new input files in this partition. So let's down. So we are going to input files here and we are going to merge with this one. So we need to download some files. Let's have download some new photos which is totally unique. Let's see, download some. In this one I download logos. Let's see, and we find some logos. This one, nice. I'm going to download it on the F. Fine, fine. Just any logo. I am just downloading it. These files can be your data or any other things that can be text or something, anything. Click on save image and save it. Download another one. Save. Okay guys, enough. Now download some. Now download some PDFs. That's a good thing. So I'm going to PDF from download PDF. That's the wrong thing. I should go to PDF drive. Yes. Here you can download from all the books PDF. So here I'm going to take this one. Just I'm going to download it. Download. This was taking file for help. And I'm download some multiple. Okay, so it's downloaded successfully. Now go on some back. Download the another one. Go on download. And this file is, you can see that file size is 11.31 MB. Let's see, can we record that file? I think this is the new update to the PDF drive. I think, because I don't think that this was the okay. So this is the drive new update. Okay guys, so I am going. It's okay. Let's do it one file. Okay, maybe download, maybe PDF download on downloads. Okay, let's cut it and save it on new volume if paste here. Okay, so these are total files. This can be another files also of your machine purpose. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this whole F partition. I'm going to delete this whole F partition. And second, we will get the 615 MB unallocated partition, and I'm going to extend that unallocated partition with new volume E. And we have to record that file from by scanning the new volume E. So let's do it. So to delete the drive, we have to do the same process. We have to go to the manage, click on disk management. Let me scroll it. Now I am going to delete this volume F. You can right click on here, delete volume, or you can right click on here, delete volume. Both are same. Now click on delete volume and delete. So you can see that we have the 634 MB unallocated space. Now we are going to use this unallocated space, and we are going to expand this unallocated space with this new volume E. Now extend this volume. Click on next. These are total disks. If you click on remove, this will remove here. And if we add, now click add. So just focus on the which table that your file is. This is the right table. Click on next and finish. And we get our all 1 GB file. Now close it. Let's open our tools again. And in here you can see that there is no files. Our previous data is removed. And you can see that here is no files. Now let's close it. And now scan the volume. Let's scan it. Here we can see a lots of exciting file. We can see that the scanning process is completed. Now click on type and let's see, can we get the new files or documents? Click on zip and here you can see that we already get the new deleted files. These are old files that we deleted before. Remember? Partition is basically a logical part of the hard disk. But the hard disk is one. And partitions we create, that is totally a logical base. And here we already finally get our deleted data. Click on name and we can recover it. Also remember we deleted also a PDF file and click on documents, EPUB. You can see a EPUB. Now click on here and you can see that our files is here. You can click on name also and recover the all deleted files. And this files is called the data. Now let's recover it. So we recover total 6 files. Click on recover and let's recover it on the desktop. So I'm going to create a new folder here and name it must partition. Okay, now select folder and our file is recovered successfully. So let's check. Click on cross exit and here is our files. Let's zoom it. Recovered, new volume E, lost files, directory intact, and this is our total files that we deleted in the last partitions that we deleted and extended with the new volume E. So guys, this is our video about how you can recover data from your PC or hard disk, or you can also recover data from SSD. And one more thing, if you are beginner, make sure your device encryption is off, because I am doing it on the Windows 10 and Windows 11 have a new feature which is device encryption. If it is on, it is a critical issue to recover data. So make sure when you recover and learning, make sure the device encryption is off. So guys, this is our video for today. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share and comment it. If you face any kind of issues about and related about this video, and if you stuck somewhere on installation, please do comment and I will help you from step by step. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.